we're back. It has been 2 hours since we took this out of its bag that it had been in, it looks like, for about 7 months. And it has increased in thickness quite a bit. And let's see, if I take, this is supposed to be an 8-inch mattress, so let's just see where we are right now. If I measure this, it looks right now we're about 7 inches. Okay, so it has come from about 1 inch thick to now 7 inches, and again, they say 24 to 48 hours before using the mattress, and it should achieve its full thickness. Given that we are full-timers, we have been living in this particular RV, this Winnebago Aspect 27K, for just a little over 3 years now. Our previous RV was about 6.5. We will be sleeping on this tonight. We're gonna have to go with it the way it is. Probably maybe tomorrow take the sheets and everything back off of it again, and probably by then it will achieve its full thickness. But for us, this baby's got to fly tonight. This is our only bed, so this is where we'll be sleeping. So that should wrap this up. I will give a little more information down below in this post that will tell you about how, a little more information about it, if you would, some reviews on it, if you would like to purchase this type of mattress as a replacement for your RV or for even the home where you can reach it, where you can get one of these. It was less than $200. You can't really find a spring type mattress for that cost, so we were really intrigued by its shipping size, ease of getting it, and that it was less than $200. And of course, I will keep you posted on sleeping on it and how we feel about it. We have had a Tempur-Pedic mattress before, so we are familiar with this type and have liked them. So, but I will come back to this post in a week or two and share with you how we feel the sleeping experience is. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. This is Howard from yourfulltimervliving.com, helping RVers achieve the full-time lifestyle. Thanks for watching.